Hello, hello everyone. I'm Sandeep Kumar from Government College for Women Sirsa, and this is the second lecture I am recording using OBS. So I'm using a PPT that I prepared before on August 31st, 2020. So I will using window capture mode. I'm using that. So let's start this lecture. What is a group and what is subgroup? I merely defined the term what is a group in this lecture. Let's start now. So what is a group? So I am introduction and some example is there. So what is a group? Let G star be any non-empty set with binary operation star, then it is said to be a group if it follows. The first property is closure property, second property is associative property, third property is existence of identity, fourth is existence of inverse. What is a closure property? For every A and B in G, A star B should be in G. What is associative? For every A, B and C belongs to G, then A star B star C. तो उसके लिए ये आपका ये है वो होल्ड होना चाहिए था, तो हम इसको ये कहते हैं कि ये जो आपकी प्रॉपर्टी है वो इस प्रॉपर्टी को हम कहते हैं एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी. नेक्स्ट आपका एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ आइडेंटिटी. इफ देयर एग्जिस्ट एन एलिमेंट ई बिलोंग्स टू जी सच फॉर ऑल ए बिलोंग्स टू जी विद ए स्टार ई इज इक्वल टू ई स्टार ए इज इक्वल टू ए. ये आपका होल्ड हो तो इसको हम कहेंगे कि आइडेंटिटी एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है. एक एटलीस्ट एलिमेंट ऐसा है जिसके लिए सारे एलिमेंट के लिए एग्जिस्ट करे, तो हम ऐसे एलिमेंट को आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट आपका एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ इनवर्स. फॉर ईच ए बिलोंग्स टू जी देयर एग्जिस्ट एन एलिमेंट बी बिलोंग्स टू जी सच दैट ए स्टार बी इज इक्वल टू बी स्टार ए इज इक्वल टू आइडेंटिटी, वेयर ई इज द आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट. सो दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ ग्रुप. ग्रुप के लिए आपको चार प्रॉपर्टी मस्ट बी फॉलोड: क्लोजर, एसोसिएटिव, एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ आइडेंटिटी एंड एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ इनवर्स. नेक्स्ट हम डेफिनेशन करने जा रहे हैं व्हाट इज अ बिलियन ग्रुप. बिलियन ग्रुप, a group G star is said to be a abelian group if commutative property hold. That means for all A and B in G, A star B should be equal to B star A. For all A and B, so that group is called to be a abelian group. The next definition is finite and infinite group. What is a finite group? What is an infinite group? If the number of elements in the group G are finite, then the group is called a finite group. Otherwise, it's an infinite group. What is the order of a group? Order of a group is number of element in a finite group is called order of the group. An infinite group is said to be of infinite order. सिंपली बात है कि कोई ग्रुप में नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट फाइनाइट है तो उसको हम कहते हैं फाइनाइट ग्रुप. यदि नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इनफाइनाइट है तो हम इसको कहते हैं इनफाइनाइट ग्रुप. और ऑर्डर जितने एलिमेंट जितने ग्रुप में एलिमेंट है वो उसका होता उतना order. The next example first, the set of integer z is an abelian group with respect to addition. So we need to prove that the set of integer is an abelian group with respect to addition. So it must be follow the fourth property of a group and the fifth property of abelian group. The abelian group is commutative property must be hard. So we will see one by one the closure property. What is a closure property? Since A and B are integer, then A plus B also be an integer. So for every A and B in Z, then A plus B in Z. So the closure property hold. Now if now we will check for this property A plus B plus C. When however the three number we add, they add to the same number A plus B. However the method may be adopted. First we add A and B, then add C, either or first we add B and C then A. it must be equal, so this property is also hold, so associative property hold. Here we will see existence of identity. There exists an element 0 belongs to G for all A and G, A in G with A plus 0 is equal to G plus 0 plus A is equal to A. So here identity element is 0 element. Existence of inverse, for every A belongs to Z, there exists an element minus A belongs to Z such that A plus of minus A is equal to 0. So existence of inverse is also holds. Now we will check for the commutative property. So commutative property is for all A and B in Z, A plus B is equal to B plus A. So all the 5 property hold for the set of integer G with respect to addition. So the set of integer G is an abelian group with respect to addition. We will see one more example where that is not a group. So the example second, the set of integers is not a group with respect to multiplication. The first property is closure property. If we multiply two integer, then it will be integer, so closure property holds. We will go to the next property, associative. However, the 3 integer must be multiplied, they answer to the same number. So A, B and C, however they be multiplied, whether in the first case we multiply A and B first, then C. In the second case we multiply B and C first, then A. They multiply to the same number, so they are equal. So associative property holds. What is the third property? Third property is existence of identity. There must be some element such that if multiplied by that number gives to the same number. So there exists 1 belongs to G. If we multiply A belongs to G any element, then A dot 1 is equal to A. So 1 is here identity element. So all the first three properties hold, but the question demands it to be not a group, so the last one must be not followed. So we will see how it is not followed. For example, the element 5 belongs to G, but there does not exist any B belongs to G such that 5 dot B is equal to B dot 5 is equal to 1. Here B must be in G, so such is not hold. So set of integer is a not group with respect to multiplication. The element 5 does not have inverse, so this is not a group with respect to multiplication. This is the lecture 2 recorded for the assignment 3 for the faculty development program. So thank you. Thank you very much.